The perfect flyer template is already waiting for you inside Canva. Open Canva and use the search bar to type product flyer. You'll immediately see a wide variety of flyer templates designed for promotions, sales, product launches, and business marketing. Browse through the collection and notice how each design uses different colors, layouts, and typography. Click on any flyer to preview it before opening. This allows you to evaluate whether the design fits your brand style and marketing goals. If you want a modern look, choose templates with bold headings and clean spacing. For luxury products, select elegant layout.